Today, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D spline objects in Framer. This is a fantastic way to bring dynamic, interactive 3D elements into your website design, making your projects stand out with visually stunning graphics that respond to user interactions. First, you'll need to start with your 3D spline object. Once you have it open and ready, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Export button. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to getting your 3D object ready for integration into your Framer site, and it's the most crucial first step in this process. After clicking Export, you'll see several options appear. What you're looking for here is the option that says Copy Frame Embed. Click on that. This action copies a special piece of code to your clipboard that will allow your 3D spline object to be embedded seamlessly into Framer. This Frame code is what bridges the gap between your 3D creation and your website. Now it's time to switch over to your Framer website. Once you're in your Framer project, navigate to the top of the screen and click on Insert. This opens up a menu with various elements you can add to your design. From there, locate and click on Utility. Within the utility options, you'll find the Embed element. Go ahead and drag this Embed component onto your canvas, positioning it wherever you want your 3D object to appear on the page. With the Embed element now on your canvas, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a panel labeled Embed. Under this label, you'll notice two options, URL and HTML. Since we copied an Frame embed code earlier, you'll want to click on HTML. This tells Framer that you're about to paste in custom code rather than just a simple link. Next, paste the embedded code into the HTML field that appears. Simply right-click in the field and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut. This code contains all the information Framer needs to display your 3D spline object correctly. Once you've pasted it in, take a moment to ensure the entire code has been copied properly. Now here's where you'll need a bit of patience. Wait until the 3D object fully loads within your Framer canvas. Depending on the complexity of your spline object and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. You'll see the object begin to render and become interactive right there in your design. Once it's fully loaded, you're all set, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a 3D spline object into your Framer website, adding a layer of depth and interactivity that can really elevate your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.